My name is Manish Bakshi, and I am heading the BenQ Middle East and Turkey operations for BenQ Middle East and Turkey region. We are based in Dubai. So, with our headquarters based in Taiwan, we are representing BenQ in this GES. As you know, that GES is 15th year this year, and GES has been very excellent platform for three major points. One is it supports the B2B networking. So various brand people meet the distributors, the system integrators, the partners, and most of all the end user. Second best thing about GES is that it gives you a facility where you can show your latest technologies to the end users, to your partners. And the third best thing is that lots of confidence building measures happens during the GES because you are making an offline demonstrations to the various participants here. So with these three major points from GES, we have been a very regular and a loyal partner with GES. We have each year the presentation and the representation. So this booth this time, what you see is our BenQ representation in the GES 2021. Just to share with you that BenQ has been a great company with the three I's as a pillar for the B2B solutions. The first I is integration. So if you see most of the products, what we are trying to share with our partners and end users is various different products which can be integrated to provide a wholesome solutions to the B2B, either to the end users or to the system integrators. Second I stands for innovation. So we have an R&D centers located in Taiwan and in China, and they do a great research, and they have lots of innovations in terms of hardware and software, which I'll explain. And the third I stands for intelligence. Most of our product range are with the intelligent features. So just to share with you and just to move around our booth, let's move on. Show you the interactive flat panels. The speciality and the most intelligence and innovative part of our interactive flat panels is nearly two. We have very innovative hardware and also a software part. So on the hardware part, I'd like to explain a little bit that we have most of all all the interactive flat panels of BenQ have got eye care features. So these eye care features are into different ways. We have low blue light, we have flicker free, and we have antibacterial screens, and also we have anti-glare. And most of all, we all have these features which are TUV certified, which is from Germany. In addition to that, our panels have very friendly way to utilize. The front end speakers are there and the ports in front so that the teachers have easy way to access and to use it. That's our hardware part. Then in addition to that, we also have a software part. We have AMS, DMS and broadcasting integrated in our panels. In addition to that, to make the education more friendly, we also have Kahoot as an example software which comes integrated, which is a great software to play quizzes in the classes. The students really love it. In addition to that, we also have displayed video conferencing solutions. We are using our own PTZ camera. So we just ushered a few months back into three different kind of product lines into the camera with 2 web cameras and 1 PTZ camera. Then we have some more solutions. We have the highest model, the super level one, which is an RP, where we have an air quality sensors. So what we have done in this one is to make it more easier, comfortable for the students in the classes. If in the class the carbon dioxide amount goes higher than needed one, then the teachers can easily see it small light on the top of our panels, which shares how the carbon dioxide has increased, and then it can be controlled by either opening the windows or the door. So that's where the air quality sensors in our panels is so helpful. Moving around, we also have world's first Android-based short throw projector, which we call as a smart projector. This is, as I said, the world's first Android-based, and we are also coming with a window-based projector in the coming year. The major three things what we have in these projectors is these are PC-less, these are driverless, and these are wireless. So that's what makes them a beautiful way to make it as a smart. Also, what we have done is, as a cross functionality, we are using a lots of interactive flat panel specifications integrated in our smart projector. Okay, so let's move on from the smart projector towards the another technology which we are sharing here. We also have an eye care monitor, which is very much suitable for education and corporate. These are very specialized one, and this is the first time we are launching it. It's got an integrated microphone, got a height adjustment, and we can also bundle with our camera so as to make a very much integrated video conferencing solutions. In addition to that, we also did two very beautiful things during this time. We had a local alliance with Classera, sharing the LMS, which is Learning Management System. And finally, we also had collaborated with Knowledge Hub to show the LEGO robotics software solutions with our interactive flat panel. So this is what we are showing this year in GES 2021 from BenQ.